In this video, I'll demonstrate the new log streaming support that we added to Azure Web Sites. So first, what I have locally is a very simple Node.js site. Only relevant thing it does here is that it writes to the console. So I'll go and run it locally first, and it listens to a port 8080. So I'll go and hit that in the browser. And as I do that, we see my logging being output to the console as expected. So next step, I'm going to push this site to Azure. So I have a site that's pre-created here. All that's left to do is push. We can go to the portal here and we can see the site is live now. And I'm now running the same site in Azure. But now I'd like to see my logs the same way I did on my local machine. So traditionally the way to do it was to use FTP, which worked but was pretty inconvenient because you had to re-download the log every time you output anything. Instead, what I can do now is grab this Git URL, and instead I'm going to send a request to it using curl. I'm going to put my username here. And I'm only changing the last part of the URL to say log stream, which is the REST endpoint that has this support. And now I'm connected to log streaming service for this app. So now if I go and refresh this app, I see my trace in my console exactly as if I was running the app locally. So this gives a much more convenient way of streaming logs from your site that is running in Azure.